brats, buns, beers, summertime and the grilling's easy. That's right, it's summertime grilling season, so we're gonna cook a recipe today that's gonna knock your socks off. It's an easy one, it's a fan favorite. We're gonna cook bratwursts in beer, in sauerkraut, on the grill. How does it get any better than that? I'm gonna add a little bit of my own touches, a little bit of red pepper in there, it's gonna be so good. Listen, summertime should be some fun. Cooking with your friends, with your family. You wanna surprise them with some good meals, right? This is the one, it's easy, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Before we do that, subscribe to the channel right now. Give us a thumbs up, ring the bell, leave us a comment, all that good stuff. Let's get to these brats. Now, we're gonna cook this over 2-zone cooking, so which means we're gonna have an indirect side and direct. If you remember what I said, indirect means no direct flames underneath it. Direct, we're gonna finish off these bratwursts in the end directly over the flame and give them a nice little char. So, we're gonna load these babies, each of these bratwurst, into this pan. We're gonna dump this sauerkraut in. I would like to have a little bit more sauerkraut than this, but hey, what are you gonna do? All right, the sauerkraut, the beer, we're gonna chop this up. We're even gonna chop up some onion and throw it in there too. What the heck? Onion makes everything better, especially with bratwurst. We're gonna finish it off on a nice pretzel bun. And then if you're not using stone ground mustard for this, something's wrong. Use whatever mustard you want, but I like that nice coarse stone ground mustard. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and get this grill lit and get some charcoal in here so we can get a fire going and then get these cooking. I'm gonna be filling this thing up with lump eucalyptus charcoal today. It's a nice, fast, hot burning charcoal, and it burns super clean. We want it clean because we're cooking with 2-zone cooking. Most times I would be making this in a cast iron pan. That's what I would usually do. But not everybody has a cast iron pan or even a pan that can go on the grill. So I'm gonna make it with this inexpensive, disposable aluminum foil pan here that I got at the local supermarket. We're gonna slice up our onion, we're gonna slice up our peppers, we're gonna pour everything into there, we're gonna pour the whole thing of sauerkraut in there, we're gonna put this whole stick of butter, and then we're gonna put the bratwurst nestled right down in there. It's gonna be just all cooked together, creating just this massive tub of goodness. So let's get started slicing. Now what you want to do is get your grill to 300 degrees. That's right, 300. That's where we're at right now. We're gonna put this on, like I said, the indirect side, meaning, that's right, the part without the flames underneath it. Let's open her up, let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Everything's gonna cook all together at one time. See, we got the stone in this side, no stone on this side. All the heat's coming from here. Pretty cool, right? While you were away, we bumped the temperature up to about 350 degrees, wanted it to cook a little bit quicker. The other thing too is one thing I didn't do correctly, I didn't drain the sauerkraut. You'll want to drain your sauerkraut. We have a little too much liquid. It's not going to affect it, but I like it to cook out a little more. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, you can see it's starting to bubble away again. We opened it up a little bit earlier just to check on it so it stopped bubbling, but it's been bubbling away nicely. Everything's cooking down beautifully. So we're going to take the sausages, the bratwursts, take them right out of here and just set them right on the grate. Let it get a nice little sear to it. We want to develop some char on the outside of the thing, give it some umami flavor, nice, delicious flavor. while we're preparing our sandwiches, I'm gonna put this over to the direct side where it's really hot. See if we can cook a little bit of that liquid out of there. A little trick of the trade here. Set that down there. Let that boil away for a couple minutes. Boil some moisture out of there. Look at these brats. Man, they're gorgeous. Woo! They are beautiful. Got that nice char on them, exactly the way we want them. Oh man, these sandwiches are gonna be good. Oh, and look at that. Our liquids are boiling away already. We're gonna cook that down in no time at all. You can use whatever buns you want. For German sausages, I'm going with pretzel rolls. It's a great combo. Look at that, beautiful inside. Gonna pop this right on the grill just for a couple minutes, just for a minute about, just to get a little toasty. And we're gonna take this off now. Everything's cooked down so beautifully. Close our grill, look at those. Ooh, that's looking good enough to eat, isn't it? And that, folks, is how beer brats are done. Beautiful. All right, so I think there's only one thing left to do, and that's to taste it. So let me go ahead and take one for the team and go ahead and do that. Oh, man, that's good. Oh, man. So I know some people are not big fans of brats or bratwurst. I never really have been, but I got to tell you, cooked like this, that is fantastic. I mean, like, really good. Again, you know, we're trying to keep things a little bit simple for a grilling series for the summer. Doing things that everybody can do on your own grill. It doesn't have to be a big green egg. If you're doing it on a kettle, something like that, you're fine. You can do the same thing. Bank your coals to one side and cook on the other side. It's simple. If it's not cooking fast enough, slide it over. Put it over the direct side, okay? So, listen, I enjoyed these. I hope you do too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, like the video. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think. What's your favorite thing to grill in the summertime, all right? And don't forget, ring the bell for notifications because you don't want to miss anything coming up. I'm gonna go enjoy these brats. You enjoy yourself. Get out and grill. And thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.